Hi guys, this is Dattatreya from Smiley Satvik YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn a new topic that is nothing but squaring. Okay, nothing but squaring of any two-digit number. Okay, this is one more method. Okay, not the method before what I said. Okay, this is another method. So in this method, this is variety. So let's try this one. So what I am going to, first of all, I am going to do 24 square. I don't know what is the square of 24. Now let's try in, before I said two methods, let's try by that first one. So I said that first you should write first in box method. I said to write like that. See, 2, 4 and 2, 4. I said to keep like this boxes. And I said like this. Okay. Now 2 2s are how much? 4. So 0, 4. 2 4s are 8, 0, 8. 4 2s are 8, 0, 8. 4 4s are 16, 1, 6. Now, so now here leave this outer one. Okay, leave this outer. Now consider only this one. Okay, so I am going to add all these numbers. So 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17 and remaining is 6. Now you know how to do balancing rule. Okay, so do balancing rule. So 6 will be dropped down and 7 will be dropped down, 5 plus 4 plus 1, 5. So 576 is our answer. Now you may ask that is this answer right or wrong? How can check by another method? Let's see. So that is so much easy. 24 into 24. This is not the method we use to do in our schools. Okay, this is separate method. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, keep slash. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Cross multiplication and add. Okay, cross multiplication and add. So 16 plus 16, 32 and 2 2s are 4. Now drop 6. Add this both. So 3 and add this both. So it becomes okay. Something sorry, wrong is coming. 4 4s 16. 4 2s 8, 8 16. No, sorry. This is 4. So 6 plus 1 7. 4 plus 1 5. See, 576 also came. So here also came. Here also came. Now let's try what is the new trick I am going to do in this video. Okay. So now I'm going to erase it. If you want to take a screenshot. If you don't know this method, please go on in my channel's videos. You are going to see this video. Okay. Okay. Now I'm erasing. And until now I have not done videos because my channel got a strike. So if we get a strike in our YouTube channel, 3 months we cannot keep videos. So I have got a strike in November. So from there 3 months I should leave that YouTube. So I left 3 months YouTube and I can't post anything, or I can't do any shorts, or I can't do any live. So I have not done, and my strike period is going to go on January 25th, and from January 26th nothing but Republic Day. Okay, so from today onwards I am going to do every day one video. Okay, so don't forget to watch all videos. If you have not received notification, please watch daily our videos. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to our channel, and don't forget to watch till end. Okay, so now let's try in our squaring of any two-digit number new trick. Okay, this is trick. Okay, now 24 square. So now first of all write 24 separately. Okay, now this 2 also separately. Now multiply all this. You will get 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Isn't it? So now square this one. You know until 10 squares. Isn't it? No. So 2 square gives you 4, 4 square gives you 16. So this 4, 16, right, combinedly. So 4, 16, isn't it? Now here 16 came now. Bring that 16 here. So leave one digit and write that 16. Now add both. Okay, so 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 1, okay, 4 plus 1, 5. So 576 is our answer. See, we got the answer. 24 square is 576 and 25 square is 625, isn't it? So, okay, I hope you understood. I'm going to erase it. If you want a screenshot, please take it screenshot. So now I'm going to show you next trick. Okay, same I'm going to show, and I'm going to take another example that is nothing but, what example if you take is better? You can choose any of the example. I hope you like this trick. If you like, please give a like button and share to all your friends. Okay. So now let's try 82 square. 82 whole square. Now what I said, 8 into 2 into 2. Okay. 8 into 2 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2, 32. Okay. Now we have multiplied all these values. We got 32. Now 8 square is 64 and 2 square is 4. So 0, 4. Okay. Now 32, bring it down, leave one digit and write 32, and now add this all digits. So 4, 2, this is 7 and this is 6. 6, 7, 2, 4 is our answer. So let's try in our normal process also. I am going to not do box, box multiplication because it will bring a huge process. So let's try in that method, okay, crosswise method. So 82 into 82, no? Okay, now 2 2s are 4, so 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 16, 32. And next 8 8s are 64. Now bring that 4 down and 2 down. So 64 plus 3 gives you 67. So 6724 is our answer. See, both answers are same. Now I am going to give you 2 examples. Now do that examples at your home. Okay, 2 examples, nothing but 56 whole square. What is the answer? And nothing but 89 square. 89, okay. What is the 89 square also? You should tell me. If you got the answers, please comment in the comment box. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos and share our videos to your friends and family members. And I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Until next video, bye bye.